Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if someone is invisible on Discord. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now if you didn't already, if you click on your profile and hover over this icon here, you can choose to set your account to online, idle, do not disturb, and invisible. Now online just seems you're online. Idle means you're away from your computer or phone. Do not disturb means you're online but you won't receive any notifications, and then invisible means you will not appear online but will have the full access to the whole of Discord. So that basically means you can pretend like you're offline but you're still online. So as you can see, if I click on this bot here, we can see this bot is online because it has the green online notification next to the name. So there's no actual way of knowing if someone is offline or just invisible at the moment. I'm sure there will be a way to figure out in the future. However, right now it's not possible. If someone is showing us offline, there's no way to know if they actually are offline or just invisible. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.